Hi everyone, happy December. I am so excited to be with you and to share my December daily foundation pages so far. It's been such a great year and I'm so happy that we're here in December to completely enjoy the magic of this season. I have worked on quite a few foundation pages and I'm going to share with you where I'm at as we enter into the month, and also share with you what my plans are for my foundation pages and for the rest of the month. So let's get right into it. This is my cover page that I created earlier in the year. The tutorial or the process video for this will be on the aliedwards blog, as well as in the Facebook group when I created this live. So I can put a link for that down below. I used the heart from this year's transparency, cutting it out, adding the trees and some rhinestones this year. I tried for the first time, so I really like how that came out. And then I have here kind of like flippy floppy ornaments kind of thing, but I used vellum and I used gold foil for this to write in my reason why, as well as some of the embellishments from this year's collection. And so then I went on into my contents. I loved using this big plastic piece and just the alphas to create another confetti type window. This is confetti, a confetti pocket or confetti ornament here, and so I love just having that flow through to the other side. And then I'm gonna put something here. So these are the pieces for my table of contents. I have them here, and my idea is to hang these banners on them every day with, you know, the story of the day, and just add in some bits and pieces to make it fun. So I have 4 lines here, so I'll probably do like 6 per line and decorate it. So I guess each week I would probably just fill it in with the different colors of the banners to represent, you know, some of the colors that I've used in the spreads for the week. So a mix between a table of contents and a sampler. So we'll see how we go, and I'm excited about this. Then for this one I have the paisley press stamps page, and there are about 25 of these spaces. So I want to just put like something that I'm grateful for each day, or my intentions for this season. I'm just gonna fill it in as I go along as well, just to kind of keep my mindset and reminding myself of, you know, what my main values are for this season: rest, enjoying a nice lovely Christmas at home with the family. And so I went on now into this page, which is a pocket here, and I'm wanting to put a family photo in here. And then going on, so my idea for this was to do either a flip up here, and so I'll have like my Santa photo here for the family and just our introductory photos. It could also go this way and have the Santa photo here and then the family introductory photos. But I do really love Ali's idea to use this as a thank you, like a recap of 2024. I think that would also be fitting in this space because I do have the 2024 here, and then, you know, it could be a 2024, a current picture for December, and then a recap of, you know, everything. So that can also work for this spot. I have some time. It's the first, but I have, you know, some hours to figure out what I really want to do there. And then I have this foundation page, which is from last year's ornaments, and I really wanted to create this. I think Deneen had done a hybrid lesson, so I have it here printed out, and then I have these that I made probably in July, for Christmas in July. Just some ornaments that I hand painted, blended, added texture paste, and I had a great time. And then I also pulled out ornaments that were in the kit last year that I didn't use. Clearly I was hoarding these and I didn't use them, so I want to do something fun with this set of ornaments that I have here. But I have them all in this little bag, and I'll decide what I'm gonna do with it and where. I was thinking more like an around here type layout because our decor is green and white and gold, so we'll see how we go. Then I created this one for our Santa visit and our Santa page. I'm thinking I could have the Santa visit layout on this side and then have the Santa letters on this side of the page. So these are little pockets in here, and the idea is to like put tags inside of this and this one with letters to Santa from our family. So I quite like how this turned out. It was stitching two transparencies together, pretty much just layering most of the Santa or hoo-hoo things that are in this year's collection. And I think it's just a really fun, cute little layout with these, the hat, and adding, you know, the stars from the set, the silk screen set. And yeah, I love how it looks. It's fun, it's cute. And then I have this one, which would have been for a day 3 with the 3 scallop tags, just kind of a reflection story on, you know, things that we do for this season, the family, things that we're doing now as a new family, missing our other family member, extended family members who are in different states and countries, and so that's what I wanted to focus on here, and just kind of still being merry through it all. I made this little pocket this week. I'm not sure where I'm using it quite yet, but maybe for day 5, and then just putting in just some moments, something little. Day 5 will be probably a quiet day at home, so I'm just keeping it nice and simple. And then I love this, and I loved playing along with Ali and Product Play and all the contributors this year. That was quite fun. So I had made my initial pages when we were doing the blog posts for the December daily released earlier, so all those are on the Ali Edwards website and on the blog. And then I took a nice little break from December daily pages, and I really looked forward to just playing along with the contributors this year, who were contributing in the classes later on, which were in, you know, November for prep day, and then product play. So I did this little booklet. Photos will go here and here, and journaling will go here, and more photos here. So it's just an accordion booklet for that. I would use my scallop pocket for something else. I have not decided yet. Maybe it's something that I'm hoarding, but hopefully I use it before the end of the season. I did leave a few spots for, you know, just ideas that I get throughout this season that I want to add in as pages. So I'll back this, and then I have the tree, which is from prep day from Ali's lesson, which I love. And I use red, green and gold thread for this, and then, you know, just some embellishments and whatnot. And I think I could fill in with a few other things, but it looks quite nice now. So I may not necessarily put like a photo on the colorway, which is what I wanted to do as well. But yes, this is where we're at with that. And I have it backed here, and then I want to pair it with this one to just add in some things from day 6. Day 6 is actually when we do like the lights, some of the city lights this year, so excited about that. And then I have my tree. This has been in here since August or sometime early in the year. So I have my tree, and I'm just gonna put the back, it's a pull-up tree. I'm just gonna put like photos and stuff in the back and journaling, and see how that goes for this tree. The process video for this is also on my blog. And then I have this one here, which was inspired by Amy Gretchen for product play, and instead of doing, she did like a cutout and just some really beautiful work. I decided to use my plastic piece for jingle bells, which I hadn't used yet, and to use this, which is from one of the silk screens as well, and just layer it with the gold Mylar version of it. And I put it on, you know, a ribbon, and then I have my flip out. I already have the photos here for this because we did a Christmas pony shoot with my son. So I'm not sure if you could see these because it's quite a wide thing, but I'm moving this in here so you could see that I added these in like that on cue. And then I have this, which I've shared on Instagram, but it has, you know, these pull-up pieces here, and I'm gonna add in, you know, our gifts and what we've gotten each other for the season. You have little envelopes, pockets, tags throughout it all, and I have my family's names on some of the tags to kind of just add in their wish lists. So I really love how this turned out. This was a really fun layout to make, inspired by Jill Broadbent, who from Product Play, she did something like this on the side with like using the tags and some gift stacks, and so that was pretty fun. And I decided to just kind of go all out and use a ton of different textures, not just the tags, but, you know, also the vellum and all sorts of things. And this was fun to make. And then this one is also one of Ali's in Product Play. She did 4, and I wanted to do it for the 10 by 8, so I did 6, and I did my little stitching the bows, and I added this texture paste and whatnot, silk screens and so forth to the ornaments. I also made this one, and I'm toying with whether to put this here and then the bow in the middle, but I just kind of left it as something that I would work through on the day that I use it. But I have the gingerbread latte. I had the gingerbread latte at Starbucks, and so I have also embossed everyone's initials here, including my in-laws who come and spend some time with us during the holidays, and so I will look forward to recording everybody's drinks there. And then after this I have my tree page, which is a tree stack. I love doing a tree stack, tree layers, and I also love how this looked behind it. And then I'm thinking a pocket will be nice with a pull out of, you know, just stuff about the tree. But yes, this is where the foundation page is at. And then here I layered some ornaments, which I will go now. So going from the tree to the deck the halls pages, and using this to add in, you know, pictures of ways we've decked the halls. We've moved to a new house in September. This is my first time decorating this space, but, you know, same decor, but it actually looks very different because it's just a very different space, and I'm really excited about how I've used that this year. So I have these pockets that I stitched, and I love this vellum, which is from the December Stories kit, as well as these bits, and I like how this is coming up, so I'll just put some more deck the whole stuff in there. I put aside these journal cards earlier in the season, so for days where I need a simple story. And then this is for night lights that we go to in our community. I have this here, which is what I wanted to put together for these. I'm thinking a flip up, a cutout, and a few things. So I just have it here. I mark the page, and then I go through to, I have made this giant shaker page with the words like what Ali did, and I use the checkered transparency and a star vellum to back it, and I use gold and white. So I really love how this came out. It's a fuller page for, if I do go into a second album, I can probably use it as a title page for the second album, or if I stay in this album, I can use it as a starter page for, you know, the 23rd, 24th, 25th, just kick off those days. And then another thing that I made earlier on were these stockings that I've always wanted to make, these stocking pockets. So these were from a prep day a few years ago, and I've always wanted to make them, so I finally did. So there are 3 pockets, and they have vellum on the back, so this will be fun to use. And then I have just, I've popped these in for, you know, another day where I just need a quick and simple story. I could use it for playlists, I could use it for, yeah, I think mostly playlists, or probably overheard words or something like that. So this is where I'm at with my foundation pages. You can see that I have a few in here. I have room to move them around and flexibility based on what happens for the month, and you know, what we kind of get up to, because things change, especially in the first, you know, this season of life. So I'm looking forward to documenting it all, and I'm really excited to see how it all comes together, and I'm excited for the season, and I hope to see as well all of your beautiful pages that you create, whether you create in December or you create during the year. But I'm always so excited. I was so happy when I woke up this morning, and a while ago I was going through Instagram and I saw everybody's, you know, posting foundations or the reason why or things like that, and that just makes me so happy, because I love this time of year, and I love the community, and I love, you know, just being part of something greater than, you know, just our immediate celebrations at home and in our family. So thank you so much for joining me for my first December daily YouTube video for this year, and I look forward to sharing all the joyful things with you throughout the season. And I hope that however you celebrate, that you are excited for it all. I pray for everything that you're going through. For those who aren't as excited, I hope that you find joy and peace in the everyday moments of life this season, and we're reminded of what a blessing and how privileged we are to, you know, be alive in this world that is so busy and so very lovely in so many different ways. And I hope that we have our eyes open and peeled on just the little miracles and the little bits of magic that we experience throughout each day. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and feel free to comment below with any questions or comments that you have. Thank you so much for being here, and I wish you the very best for December. Bye.